I just got back from the mall where there is an Apple store, and I also went to Target too because, well, we were going to Target anyway, and then I made a mistake at the Apple store, so then I got something at Target. First, I'm going to start off with this case I got for my phone. Something really bad about the Apple store is that for each different case there is, when it's like an OtterBox one, they don't actually say what phone it's for. They just give you these dots. For the new phones, they just say dots on the case and not the actual phone model. Like, nowhere on the back does it say it either. So I had to ask an employee which one would be right for my phone. And even the employee was like, yeah, this is annoying. So here we have the case. It looks really cool. The one that was on the like display phone, it looked a little different. It looked more of like black and white and not black and blue and white. However, I really like the black, blue, and white. So stuff that says on the back, it says flexible. I guess that's not really a feature of a case, but sure, okay. Ultra slim. I mean, I've actually seen thinner cases. And then soft to touch. That part is correct. I don't actually plan on like hoarding phone cases like I did when I had the 11. But the thing with the new, like, newer iPhone silicone cases is that the corners are kind of wearing off. I'm trying to like get my camera to focus. I think you can see. You can see that it's been like wearing off a little bit, like in the corners. Okay, so I think you can see here that like the corner has been wearing off. That didn't happen when I had an 11, an iPhone 11 silicone case, but yeah, it's very weird for that. But this seems to be a different thing. And this was, let me just say, it was not cheap. I think they're making probably bank off of these cases. And it's a MagSafe case. Okay, when you put a MagSafe case on, it's supposed to have like a little animation that happens. Maybe that's just for when you put Apple MagSafe ones. Okay, so it does have a, oh, I need to put it on right. Okay. So it does have the little bump above the screen for protection, which is nice. So my iPhone screen does already match the case, which is cool. Didn't plan that at all, actually. It feels really nice. Oh, my phone is dirty. It's like, oh, ew. What is that? That looks nasty. Is that toothpaste on it? Oh my gosh. Okay, something happened to my iPhone. I'm trying to fix it. That's really disgusting. I don't know why that was there. It looks like mayo or something. I haven't had mayo in like a while, so I don't know why that was there. And I'm also hoping that wasn't like a part of the case, I'm hoping. Oh yeah, and then on the inside it says OtterBox established in 1998. Did they make like BlackBerry phone cases? Because I feel like when it's like modern day smartphones, like maybe since like the original iPhone, I feel like that's when OtterBox has become more prominent. But it does have a big camera bump to protect the cameras. Hopefully you can tell, but it is gonna protect the cameras. And I also did get some MagSafe accessories, so we'll see if it works this case. I like the feel better than this Apple one. I'm definitely still gonna keep this one because obviously I like still want to keep it. And then we have some documents in here. Where is it? How do I, who is calling me? Just a second. Hey mom.
Hey.
Alright, now next with the iPhone accessories, MagSafe. We got this portable magnetic stand. Now, the annoying thing about this is that even though it says right here, it says non-charging, so it doesn't charge your phone. I didn't see that at all, so when I got this at the Apple store, I was like, yeah, I've been looking for like a stand and like MagSafe charger built in, because like I don't have a stand or a MagSafe charger either. Well, I did have a MagSafe charger, but it wasn't like an official one from like a brand that I'd heard of before, so obviously like after like the 5th time I used it, it like didn't charge my phone. Okay, this is huge. Portable, compact size sure, I guess. This looks big though. Like, okay, now people get. Alright, so this looks like the size of my phone. Like, this is heavy too. The soft fabric, it feels like the magic floating keyboard for the iPad Pros and the new iPad Air. Okay, so this is really magnetic. It said perfect for like airports and coffee shops and hotels and really just anywhere. But if I was in an airport and someone had a stand that made that sound when you close it, it's satisfying for sure. And it says compact size. I don't know. Like this is not really that compact. There's like all of this wasted space here. Could have been a charger, but no, we have a stand. I'm definitely gonna keep this because like it's useful and I don't have the stand for my desk. Now for the MagSafe test, if it actually is MagSafe. Okay, holds on there. It holds it pretty sturdy when I go like this. Okay, well, I mean, with the stand, you're not going to be going like that when you're like actually using it. It holds it pretty well. I get kind of how this is so heavy now because the iPhones are kind of heavy, so it just needs to work. And I guess it works. You could do portrait mode. I'm giving this a 7 out of 10 if it's what I was looking for, and 9 out of 10. But, I mean, compact, when it's this thing that I got from Target, an actual MagSafe charger, because I didn't want to risk using a MagSafe charger that was not directly from Apple after I got one from a brand I'd never heard of, and it didn't, like, hurt my phone. Like, the first few times, it actually charged my phone, and then it just didn't. It, like, stopped working. Here we have, pull it out. Designed by Apple in California. Okay, cool. When is it not designed by Apple in California? Like one day they're gonna come out, say, yeah, our charger was designed by Samsung in Wyoming. I don't know why I said Wyoming. Just Wyoming. How does this come out of here? Like, oh, it just slides out like that. Let's compare it to the MagSafe thing on here. Okay. This is, okay, so it's about the same circumference, like half the width or depth, whatever you want to call it. Is that a chip? It came chipped too. The chip, like right there. Okay, I'm not crazy. Came chipped. That's lovely. I do already have a 20 watt. I actually have two 20 watt USB-C wall adapters, so I'll be good with that. Did it come with an Apple sticker? I mean, their accessories don't. I mean, the AirPods do, but the accessories don't. So yeah, there's no Apple sticker in here. We still have one more accessory to do. I mean, I'm gonna rate this a 10 out of 10, I guess. On the next iPhone, they should include this. If they're gonna do a, like, portless iPhone, and I feel like they are. Alright, I didn't even tell you what this is. USB-C to SD card reader, because I do not have that for my new laptop. I have it for Lightning, but I mean, it's not the same thing. Okay, I'm gonna make sure it works. Alright, so this is a 4 gigabyte video. I'm gonna see how fast it'll transfer to my movies part. It says less than a minute. It's already at 600 megabytes, like around 70 megabytes a second, which is kind of slow. It is an adapter. I think if I was doing just like an external SSD to like the USB-C or Thunderbolt here, then it would be faster. Thank you all so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video if you enjoyed. It honestly, I don't know, will anyone even enjoy watching this video? I don't know, my head's been like cut off for a while. I will link everything down in the description. See you guys in the next video. Bye!